Hello, I just received this deck of cards in the mail today, and I wanted to do a little unboxing. I saw these online, and I just thought they were really cute. A nice, light-hearted tarot deck, you know? I think everybody needs one. We all need one. Sometimes you just need a little encouragement. Now, this is by the Affirmators, and they do also make just affirmation card decks, and maybe I'll do a flip through of this one. I absolutely love this deck. It's just so positive, and it has great messages. So, anyway, enough of the talking. Let me go ahead and do the flip through. I like how the page cards give you a clue as to what, basically what the meaning. I really do like that. I wonder what the page of wands is going to be. I like that adventure off on an adventure. I really like the art on this. It's so playful, and you know, sometimes you just want advice from a friend, quote unquote. You know, you don't necessarily need the deep dive into your psyche and motivation. Oh, the Page of Wands is an entertainer. It's interesting. I would have thought he would have been like the guy going off on a new adventure, but I dig it. I get it. But yeah, sometimes you don't necessarily want advice from the deepest, darkest reaches of your unconscious. Sometimes you just really need some quick advice with a positive spin on it, with some cheerful imagery, something that you can just pull and meditate on during the day. You know, this, I believe, would be a wonderful, kind, and caring, healing type of deck for when you're going through something that's kind of hard and you just really want to get guidance on how to navigate, you know, gentle, caring guidance on how to navigate whatever difficult thing you're going through. You don't want to get smacked in the face with the truth. You don't want to, girl, you better. You kind of just want to, you know what, it'll be okay. It will all be okay. Look on the bright side. And so that, my friends, is the Affirmators Tarot. This is my first time doing an unboxing, so I hope that I did okay. I hope you guys could see and get what you needed to get. And I plan to do some more of these for the group later, or you know, sooner than later actually. Maybe I'll try to do like once a week, because I do have a rather large card collection and a deck collection, and I just recently acquired a few more decks. So I have a few more unboxings. I have a few more decks that I could do flip throughs, and I just thought this would be a nice way to kind of jump back into the group, since I've been absent for quite a while going through my personal stuff. But Spirit has been calling me back, and you know, I'm not here to do anything but listen, learn, and try. That's all we have to do. That's what everybody out here is trying to do, right? So anyway, thank you for anybody who watched, and please let me know if there's anything specific that I can add to these unboxing videos for the group. Flip throughs, any questions that you might have. Yeah, and if anybody else has any decks that they absolutely love, please feel free to introduce them to us. And that's my Spotify, y'all. And yes, thank you. I miss you guys. I'm happy to be back. And I hope that everyone is safe, well, and okay. All right. See you guys next time.